Number one priority. Oh, they're both coming down it next wind. It's already swaying, isn't it? Jesus Christ, look at that big lad. Ooh. Look at this tree. This tree is so good. There's two of them. Is that a Siamese tree? A Siamese tree. Okay, yeah. This is close to the car park, bro. It's not so far, it's actually closer. But do you know what I mean? If you went up through there, maybe a bit up into Forest might be alright. It's a shame because the camera can't really capture the magic. Look where we've just come out at. The car park. And what are them videos that I run about? That was just up there, mate. Not bad.
I'll make a little circle.
Yeah. It's where we run about on that past video. That up there is closer than obviously the old spot.
Yeah, yeah.